This question is asked in gate 94. It is a beautiful question, but then they didn't ask it properly. So what they wanted to ask is, they are saying that if we are given some few numbers, and then if we are given a stack, and the rule is that all the numbers have to get into this stack once and then come out. Then what is the possible output, or what are the sequences possible and what are the sequences not possible? That is what they wanted to ask, but then they didn't ask it properly. See this, they are saying that which of the following permutations can be obtained in the output and within brackets in the same order, which means in the output they are showing some sequence, in the same order we should get the output. Okay, using a stack, assuming that input is in the sequence 1 2 3 4 5 in that order, which means if input is in the sequence and we have a stack, then what is the output? So they didn't say anything about it. So actually the question should have been given as all the numbers are supposed to be pushed onto the stack once and popped out once. In that case, what is the permutation possible? In case if that is the question, let's solve it. Okay, so now let us say this is the stack. Rarely you will see some stupid questions, I mean this misframed questions. Almost all the questions will be right, but I know every year at least there will be 2 or 3 questions which will be either the options will be right, wrong, or the question formation will be wrong. So whenever you see any question which is wrong, don't answer it, leave it. The marks will be added to everyone. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5. So question, this is the numbers which are given, and you can think of the question this way: all the numbers, this is the input. Okay, this is kind of game. All the numbers, if they have to come out to the output, they have to jump into this and then jump into this, which means one time pushing and then one time popping, right? Then I'm going to write the sequence here. Now let's test whether this sequence is possible or not. So the sequence is 3 4 5 and then 1 2. So what will jump inside it first? 1 will jump, and then 2 will jump, and then 3 will jump. Now they are saying that 3 has to come out first, right? So I cannot let 4 jump, because if 4 jumps, then 4 will be the first one to come out. So since 3 has to come out first, let me ask 3 to jump out. Therefore it is going to be popped. And what about 4? Let 4 jump in, right, and then jump out, because I want 4 immediately. And what about 5? Let 5 jump in and 5 jump out, right? And now what is the next one? 1 has to come out, but it is not possible for 1 to come out. Therefore, because 2 has to come out first, then only 1. So this is not possible. Now look at the next one. 3 4 5 2 1. Yes, it is possible, because the next one which will jump out is 2, and next one which will jump out is 1. It is definitely possible, right? And let's see about C. B is possible, right? And let's see about C. Now if we have this stack, now 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 has to come out, therefore 1 will jump in and jump out, right? Immediately it will come out. Next thing that has to come out is 5. So 2 has to jump in and stay, 3 has to jump in and stay, 4 has to jump in and stay. Now 5 has to jump in and jump out, because after 1 I want 5, and immediately after 5 we want 2, but then 2 is at the base. It cannot come out unless 4 jumps out and then 3 jumps out. So this is not possible, right? Let's see about this one. So they are saying that so input is 1 2 3 4 5, right? Now we want 5 first. So 1 will jump in, stay there, 2 stay there, 3 stay there, 4 will jump in, stay there, 5 will jump in, stay there, right? Now which one has to come out first? 5 has to come out first. Yes, 5 came out, and then 4 has to come out next. Yes, 4 came out, and then 3 has to come out. Yes, 3 came out, and after that 2 will come out, right? There is no way you will get 1 before 2, therefore it is also not possible. So only option possible is B. It is a good question. Okay.